equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex Pro 13 IKB. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The battery issue in your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex Pro 13 IKB can manifest as rapid drainage or failure to charge. This often occurs due to wear and tear or a faulty connection. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, including potential damage to the motherboard. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery. Begin by ensuring the device is powered off and unplugged. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage the clips. Once open, locate the battery, which is typically secured by several screws. Carefully remove these screws with the Phillips screwdriver, and gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. When replacing the battery, ensure the new one is compatible and connect the cable securely. Reattach the screws, applying gentle pressure to avoid stripping them. As you reassemble the device, ensure that no cables are pinched and that the back cover clicks into place. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent future battery issues, consider using your device on a stable power source and avoid letting it drain completely on a regular basis. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.